Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? C plus ink, C ink. D plus bull, D bull. Seeing double. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to what we hope will be a fabulous week here on Classic Concentration. Last week was a fabulous week for this gentleman on my left. He is our returning champion. His name is Stuart Chapin, and to this point, without winning a car, but picking up 4 holidays and a lot of other prizes, he has accumulated $27,921 in merchandise. And that's pretty good going. And he wants to leave for Europe right after today's program. So he wants to win the game, win the first game, get into the winner's circle. He'll have a full minute on the clock. He wants to grab a car and split. That's about it, isn't it?
That's the one.
Okay. Good luck to you against this lady, Stephanie Plank.
Yes.
Hiya, Stephanie. Welcome aboard. Oh. Brought along some good luck pictures.
Yes, I did.
Wait a minute. There are pictures of 2 different guys here. One next to you. You're in a bridal gown. I'll assume that's your husband.
Yes, it is.
And let me assume the other fellow is your brother.
Yes, it is.
Boy, they don't pay me the big bucks for nothing, I'll tell you. Right, Gene?
Right.
Thank you. You ready to talk again, Gene? Yeah. Tell us about this holiday.
Lie back and soak up the sun on the enticing white sandy beaches of Tahiti. You and your guests will enjoy the supreme comfort and in-flight services to Tahiti from Los Angeles, furnished by UTA French Airlines. And sun, fun, and relaxation for 6 nights may be yours as you enjoy crystal clear lagoons and tropical rainforests. Your dream vacation may come true at the Valley High Hotel Tahiti. Obviously, Marjorie is staying at the Motel 5. Alex?
That was very cruel. That was what we call in the trade, Gene, a cheap shot. Right, Marjorie? That's right. See? I would never do that. Marjorie looked terrific. Get the coconuts back to the bar, though. They need to make some more tabomas. Stuart and Stephanie, take a look on the board. 17 is where we have Tahiti. And Stephanie, of course, you select first.
Well, I've never been to Tahiti, so let's look for a wild card under number 9.
Green tape.
All right. How about number 18?
Diamond necklace. No match there. Stuart?
Well, believe it or not, despite Europe, I've never been out of the country. Number 23, please.
Bedroom set.
And a match under number 8.
Window blinds. No match. Stephanie?
I'd like to open up number 2.
Diamond necklace.
Diamond necklace. That would be fantastic. Could I look under number 16?
And there's a wild card. Where's that other diamond necklace? Didn't you just see it a moment ago at 18? But Stephanie forgot it.
Yes,
and
she
that's unusual for a young lady to miss out on jewelry. The players usually remember the holidays, the special vacations, and the jewelry. Take a look. Select again, Stephanie.
I'd like to see what's under number 5.
Garden tools. People usually remember when they see garden tools also.
Okay, let's look for a match under number 15.
Red tape. No match. Stuart.
Let's look at number 4.
Wild card.
Number 17, please, for Tahiti.
Tahiti is coming his way. The other Tahiti trip is at number 10, and now it's in position behind Stuart. And we'll open these 3 panels. If you were to win this game, Stuart, and the trip to Tahiti, you would have 5 vacations. All of them in the sun, except for Paris. And that's a special one, as you know. Select again.
Number 24, please.
Wild card.
This is a lovely day. Number 6, please.
Garden tool.
Garden tool. I remember 5. They were under 5.
You're right, they're under 5. We'll show you that right now. The natural match would have occurred. You'd have gone to number 5. I know that. Let's open these 3 panels for Stuart. Select again.
Number 8, please.
Window blinds.
We saw those at number 7.
Did we? I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Stephanie?
Let's look under number 15.
Red tape.
And number 7 for the match.
Number 7 is a match. Stephanie, this is a red tape.
There's still another. Give me Tahiti.
Gimme Tahiti. Take it away from Stuart. Give it to the young lady and open these 2 panels. Pick again.
Let's look under number 22.
Window blinds.
And number 8 for
Number
the match.
8. Yes, a while ago, Stuart thought he had seen him somewhere else, but he hadn't. 2 more panels opening up for Stephanie.
No guess.
So again.
Number 11. Green
take.
And number 20.
20.
20.
Choose 10 of your favorite novels.
Oh.
Stuart, we're back to you. There was no match for Stephanie there.
Number 14, please.
Designer area rug.
No idea. Can we see what's under number 1, please?
Designer area rug. And you have done that time and time again to stay alive in these games. Open these 2 panels for Stuart.
Sissy Spacek.
Is it Sissy Spacek? Right.
Go. I'm going.
I'll follow. Right behind you.
S. C. Sissy. Space. Ache. Sissy Spacek.
No. I don't think it was 8. Was it 8 or was it sick? Sick. We have some agreement. A couple of people in the audience say that the last symbol was sick because it's Sissy space sick, not ache.
But I love her
space
anyway.
ache. Good. You should, because she has enabled you to get another shot at a brand new car, and today you will do it.
Right after this?
Yes, right after we say goodbye to Stephanie for a little bit, because she has 1 strike against her.
I'll be
take you
back.
off stage, and you'll be back. Yes, indeed. Come here, Stuart. Gene's going to tell you about some more prizes. Gene.
Garden Tools, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select garden tools or other top name brands from our catalog, or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a designer area rug. You may add a touch of the Southwest to your home with a beautiful handcrafted cotton durry rug in special custom colors designed for this collection, furnished by Emser International.
And that takes his winnings to well over $28,000. And believe me, ladies and gentlemen, he would like nothing better than to win a brand new car. And today is the day. That day. D-Day. You'll see after this. Yes. All right, Stuart. That day. D-Day. For those of you who may not have been with us last week, when we introduced Stuart, we introduced him as an author. He is a writer. He's got enough time now to write a novel. He's got 60 seconds, 15 numbered squares to deal with, and 60 seconds on the clock, Stuart. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
No.
4, 12,
No.
10, 1,
Yes.
2, 7,
Nope.
9, 4,
No.
7, 2,
No.
2, 4,
Right.
5, 9,
No.
6, 8,
Yes.
11, 12,
Nope.
14, 7,
Yes.
13, 9,
No.
12, 13,
Yes.
15, 11,
No.
5, 3,
Yes.
9, 15.
Yes! 58 seconds, but he did it! He did it! What's he gonna do at last?
Stewart, you've just won this Eagle Summit four-door sedan. Features a 1.5-liter i4 engine, automatic transmission, and tinted glass. Furnished by Eagle, a prize worth over $9,800.
Well, I made a mistake on Friday's program. I said you were going to be leaving us with about $35,000. I missed it by a day. You're going to be leaving us with $38,516. You've got some fabulous vacations. You've let your hair down. I'm happy to see you were a great champion. Congratulations to you, Stuart.
Thank you.
All righty, break time for us, and we're going to introduce a new contestant right after this. I don't usually make definitive statements as the host of this program, but I can say with almost 100% certainty that Stuart Chapin will not be back to compete in our Tournament of Champions, in which we feature those players who have won cars in the shortest possible time. He took 58 seconds to win his car, but with over $38,000 in prizes, it doesn't matter if he comes back to play in that tournament. We're delighted to welcome a newcomer right now. His name is Chris Bull. Hiya, Chris.
Nice to meet you, Alex. How you doing?
Thank you. Are you ready for this?
I think so. Yeah.
You want to get into it?
I sure do.
Stuart showed you the way. Watch out for Stephanie. She's a good player, even though she lost today's first game. Here's one of the prizes you're competing for, players.
Snark Sundancer sailboat, engineered for speed and designed for fun. Lightweight and fast for racing or just some friendly sailing for two. The Sundancer, furnished by Snark. Alex.
All right, let's show Chris and Stephanie where they will find the sailboat. It is at number 3. We have $500 in the cash pot. We also have a holiday in Palm Springs, Chris, and you go first.
Okay, let's look at start off number 11, please.
1-1 is the sailboat.
Oh, well, that's pretty nice. Let's go for that match on number 3.
Number 3, just like that. The challenger comes in and picks up the prize for his prize column, and he gets the first look at the puzzle. And I don't think this first look is worth much.
I think you're right. Let's go right in the middle of board, number 13. Custom golf clubs. I could use some new golf clubs. Let's look at the side, number 15, please.
Custom golf club. Hey, you're sitting with Stuart Chapin's set.
Lucky chair, I guess.
It must be a lucky chair for natural matches, particularly. Open these two panels for Chris Bull. Go again.
Okay, let's look down the bottom left-hand corner, number 21, see what we can find.
200 California lottery tickets.
Ooh, how about a match for that under number 23, please?
200 California lottery tickets. All right, open it up. Select again, please.
Okay, let's go the upper right-hand corner, number 5, please.
Sofa and love seats.
Okay, how about number 8?
Wild card, so you're going to get a match out of it. The other sofa and love seat at number 17, and that means 4 consecutive matches for you, Chris. Speaking of love seats, is there somebody special in your life? Are you single?
Yeah,
married?
well, I am single, but there is someone special in my life, Alex.
How long have you two been seeing each other?
About 2 years.
Yeah? Obviously, it's serious then. Is it going to lead to marriage, do you think?
Is
she here in the studio this morning?
No, she's not.
And you're not going to answer on national television?
It's probably better not to, either way.
All righty. Let's open up these 3 panels for Chris Bull.
Oh.
Do you mean you had a solution?
I think so.
Almost? Well, you've got to make another match in order to offer that solution, so go for it.
Okay, let's look at number 1, please.
We have gourmet pasta and sauces. That's
How
a good prize.
about match number 10?
Diamond tennis bracelet. Now, that's a lovely piece of jewelry. Stephanie.
Okay, let's get on the board. Let's look at number 19.
Red take.
Let's look for a wild card under number 7.
No, that's a green take. Chris, back to you.
How about number 16, please? And number 1 for the match.
Gourmet pasta and sauces, and we have another match, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 prizes for the newcomer. If you solve the puzzle, it'll be goodbye to Stephanie, since she already has lost a game. Can you do it?
A change of heart.
Is it a change of heart? No, it is not.
Okay, let's look under number 18, please.
Red take.
Oh, we just saw that, but I'm not exactly sure where. Was that under number 19?
Yes. Here is the take, but there is, unfortunately for you, nothing on Stephanie's board to
She's
take.
a good player. I'm sure there'll be something up there pretty soon.
All right. Can you solve the puzzle? Pick again.
Number 25, please.
Cash pot.
And number 12.
Do we have a match? No. Bumper pool table. $500 in the cash pot, Stephanie, if you make the match.
Great. I'd like to look under number 10.
Diamond tennis bracelet.
How about number 2?
Wild card, so you're going to get a shot at the bracelet. The other diamond tennis bracelet in the bottom section of the puzzle, and now 3 panels opening up for you.
Is it a change of hearts?
Is it a change of hearts? No, it is not. Select again, Stephanie.
I'd like to look under number 4.
Bumper pool table.
And a match under number 12.
Bumper pool table. That's another prize for your column, Stephanie. Can you solve the puzzle now?
A change of part.
Is it a change of part? No. Select again.
I'd like to look under number 6.
Cash pot.
And was that cash pot under number 25?
Yes, that's $500 possibility for you. Now, Stephanie, solve the puzzle if you can.
A change of pace.
Boy, oh boy, Gene, I did age a little bit today while listening to these 2 contestants keep coming up with hearts when I don't see any hearts. Is it a change of pace? Yes. Oh, Stephanie, I thought you were going to break my heart by not coming up with a solution. Go ahead now that it's all visible, explain it.
We have the hay, the chain, and the J. A change. We have the light bulb that is off, the P and the ace, a change of pace.
Do you see any hearts here? No, you don't. Gosh, I'm so happy for you because you were particularly vulnerable. You had that 1 strike against you.
Yes, I did.
It didn't work out for Chris. He was in there early and never got back in. That's 1 strike against you, Chris. We'll see you in the next game, though.
Good luck, Stephanie.
Take care. All right, Stephanie, let's hear about your prizes. And you won something this time. Way to go. Gene.
A cash pot worth $500, a bumper pool table, and a diamond tennis bracelet. A fashionable 14-karat gold tennis bracelet with 62 round diamonds, each hand set in 4 prongs. 1 carat total weight from the Michael C. Fina Company. A prize package totaling $2,070.
That's a great win, Stephanie. It's amazing how a mental set can cause you so many problems. He said a change of heart, and you were stuck on heart, and you just couldn't get away from that until the very end. But I'm happy for you, and I hope the mind can do strange things and great things. We'll be back to play the car round after this. And now gets a chance to play for a brand new car. Stephanie, you're not an only child, are you?
No, I'm not.
You got a brother?
Yes, I do. A younger brother.
Younger brother. That was the photograph you had with you when you first joined us on the program. He was in uniform. He's in the Air Force?
Yes, he is.
I bet you he's probably stationed at Mountain Hope Air Base in Idaho?
Mountain Home Air Force Base in
Idaho. See, I got the vision, but it was a little cloudy because my eyesight is going. It's Gene just said it. It's incredible that I should be able to do this. What would be incredible would be for you to win a brand new car with just base time, 35 seconds. Incredible because it's tough. You need a little bit of luck. But good luck to you, and go to work right now.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
4, 9.
No.
10. 6.
No.
10, 3.
No.
12. 3.
Yeah.
13. 6.
Nope.
13, 9.
Nope.
14. 9.
Yep.
15. 10.
Nope.
10, 6.
Nope. Try
4,
10, 7.
10.
10, 7 was, I think, the combination. You kept looking for that Centra match, and it
Yes,
didn't
I
happen.
was.
But, you know, it's tough first time out. Meanwhile, you've got $2,070. You escaped within an inch of your life in that last game, and you're going to live to play again on our next show. And we're going to take a break right now after we hear about another wonderful prize. Gene's going to tell us all about it.
Some of today's participants may receive Conair's latest innovations: Hot Sticks, Fashion Plates, and Thermacell Cordless Iron and Brush, True Reflections Mirror, Geometrics, Pro Style 1500 Dryer, furnished by Conair. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Marjorie, were you amazed at my psychic powers in being able to figure out where our champion's brother was stationed at Mountain Home Air Base in Idaho?
I was just amazed.
Well, Gene was, of course, but what Gene could not see is the fact that on the back of this photograph of Stephanie's brother, it says, "Greetings from Mountain Home Air Base in Idaho." You see, I don't want to mislead people. I don't want them to think that I have powers that I do not really possess. But you'll just
thought that.
see you all tomorrow. More powers exhibited then.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.